place that has flown under my radar for years. That's mainly because I thought it was a place known mostly for booze and parties. And being a guy who does neither, I felt that there wasn't much for me there. But ever since I started documenting my travels, I woke up to an obvious fact that Goa is along the west coast of India. So it is guaranteed to have fantastic beaches, landscapes and architecture. And landscapes are the very reason why I travel. So the Goa trip was finally fixed. While most people plan their trip to Goa before they travel, well, I did not do that. Because I wanted to go there with no prior idea of what to expect. So I, along with my brother-in-law and my cousin, just straight up went to Goa and then figured out our plan. And boy did it turn out amazing. So definitely hit that subscribe button and smack the bell icon because you do not want to miss the series of videos coming from our Goa trip.